Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. The person that gave me this package does not want me to shout out their Instagram or anything, so they're just going to be called Anonymous. Mr. Anonymous had sold me and my brother some stuff, knife and EDC wise. Then he said he threw some stuff on top of it, and then he gave me some stuff to borrow for my channel. And the unboxing knife for this video is the Boker Kalashnikov Copper Blade Also 8 Dagger Mini. Don't forget, minis are nice. I never thought so until now. Well, on camera it's kind of different, but I'm going to go here and see, can you open this like this? Let me take it off camera and look real quick. My eyes are not the greatest, so... There's a lot of tape on here, so no one can get through to this. So we just might have to cut it down the middle. And not hopefully not damage anything, but lose the packaging. That's on the outer side. Let me get this opened. Now I have to go to a more robust knife to open it with. We'll probably have to do that. Now I'm going to try with my QSP pigment because that knife just didn't do any justice to it at all. I'll be back when I open this. Already 2 minutes, so be right back. This is the contents inside. Bubble wrap. Lanyard and beads. Nice, we'll open that soon. Knives. Rubber dye multi-tool. New item. Said he never uses. I can own it, or my brother can, and I can review it. And a copper coin. Okay, scallywags. Look on the other side. Captain Edward Tage. Copper coin. Blackbeard. Scallywags. Blackbeard. Okay. Nice coin. I know I want to open the Civivi first, but I'm going to go with this because I think this is for me to borrow. Whatever I don't know. I'll ask him on my end messages. Oh, the CRKT that we owning. CRKT CEO. Trying to get stuff off the pocket clip, but that could be it later. I always wanted to try one of these and never had one. Oh, that's easy. Ooh. This is the one we own, so. Oh. Any blade play? Nope. I'm really censored. I can work on that if I need to. There's more in the packaging. Let me get that out. Let me use the CEO to get it out. Yeah, a lot of knives to unbox just a little bit, but this is fun. Not a good tape and stuff, so then we can get through to this package. Oh, there's the other one we're owning. I believe the brothers. A brother knife. Lockback. VG10 steel. How nice. wonton, I believe. Too much glare on this one. It's bothering my head. Gotta close this and put it up, but it's VG10 Brothers. Brother, I mean. And there's one more in here. This is to borrow. This is the Rhea. Ooh. Better action than I thought. C 27. 12C27 N steel. Can I manage to reverse flick it? Yes. Bada bing, bada boom. The CJRB RIA. RIA. Jade G10. We got the Civivi, supposed to be the Fracture. Or it was a limited edition, so. It's a slip joint. Oh. Oh my. Ooh, I like it. Off camera, sorry. I was trying to flick it like this, but it's a slip joint. So you gotta do like this. I give the pull a 9. Or an 8 to a 9. Yum. Since it doesn't lock, you just do this. I'm on camera. Okay. Nice. This will be carried today as one of my knives. So you cannot do that, but a great knife. Great G10. And we got this lanyard beads and lanyard. A lanyard. This is paracord for make a lanyard. This is the bead. It's pretty nice, design-wise. This came with the Civivi Fracture. I'm going to try to put it on and see how good I do and have fun with it. It has that Civivi logo C on it. Nice. Get to the side. This can be made into another lanyard. And you got the copper bead. And you got this skull bead. For me and my brother, some of these stuff, and then some stuff to borrow. Copper coin is nice. I'd be carrying this as my carry coin that people carry. We never opened this yet. These are always a struggle to open, these packagings. That was easier than I thought. Never been used, he said, I think. My brother is a big Gerber fan, so this he might want to own. These spring pliers? Spring-loaded pliers. Ooh. It's made for a carabiner. Hence that. Tools are right here. Scissors. Sorry about the camera. Oh, these scissors are nice. file and screwdriver, another screwdriver. Got like a package cutter type thing. I look up all the tools later to know that certain names, but this blade, wow, nice utility style sheep's foot blade. And this, I believe, is 3CR. I know. 5CR even gets me, but hey, if my brother likes the Gerber multi-tool, he can own it. He'll buy it. And that's the Gerber dime. With the box and the original paperwork in it. It said new item. Copper coin, beads. Make your lanyards for paracord lanyards. Rhea. So VV lanyard. See CEO, CRKT CEO. I was gonna say CGRB, but it's CRKT. And I was told it's only